Timbuktu scholars did not work in isolation. They built on the rich tradition of learning in Africa. In their manuscripts, we find discussion of mathematics, astronomy, medicine, and pharmacology. For instance, text describing surgical techniques, the movement of celestial bodies, or formulas for herbal remedies. An example, a 14th century medical manuscript from Timbuktu detailed treatment for ailments just as a European manuscript of the same era would. Evidence that scientific inquiry in Africa was alive and well. The manuscripts cover every aspect of human endeavor, reflecting a curriculum as diverse as any Renaissance university. In short, Timbuktu in the 1500s had its Da Vinci's. Polymaths like Ahmad Baba and Asadi, who excelled in scholarship, taught students, as Sankore University reportedly had up to 25,000 students at its height, and wrote works that synthesized law, theology, and science. Their legacy, preserved in fragile manuscripts, shows that African intellect sparkles as brightly as Europe's, even as colonial narrative later dimmed that light.